Students, now we'll move to the functional groups. Functional groups. In the functional groups, first functional group will study about alcohol. Functional group of alcohol is OH. OH is the functional group of alcohol. First member of the group of alcohol is methanol. Methane, you have to remove the letter E and you have to add the suffix OL. Methanol is the first member of alcohol. The formula of methanol, actually methane is CH4. From 4 hydrogen you have to remove one, that is CH3OH. This is the formula, molecular formula. Structure C, 3 hydrogen, and in 1 hydrogen's place what is substituted, what is added? OH is added. Hydrogen is removed and in that place OH is added. OH is the alcoholic group, CH3OH. Now we will write the electron dot structure of this methanol. So one carbon atom, it forms a single bond with the hydrogen. That single bond I write it as dot into dot H into dot H into dot H. Next it forms with the oxygen into dot oxygen. Oxygen, how many electrons are present around the oxygen, or what is the valency of oxygen? That is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. In that one already I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So oxygen's valency, around the oxygen there are valence electrons which are present in oxygen. 6 valence electron. Out of 6 electrons, 1 electron it shares with the carbon and another electron it shares with the hydrogen. 1 electron it shares with the oxygen, carbon, and 1 more electron it shares with the hydrogen. So this is the electron dot structure of the first member of the family of alcohols, that is methanol. It is also called methyl alcohol, but usually we call it as methanol. Next, go to the second compound. Ethanol. Ethanol formula C2H5OH. C2H5OH. So in general you can see this, the formula CH3OH, C2H5OH. So we can write general formula for these alcohols. So how we can write the general formula? I can write it as CnH2n plus 1, not plus 2. CnH2n plus 1, C2H5. In the sense 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Here 1, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. Hydrogen atom, relation between hydrogen and carbon. So hydrogen atom can be calculated. Make the double of the carbon atoms and add 1, 2n plus 1. That is C2H5. And what is there? One more thing, that is one more compound, one more group is OH group. So in this way we can write the general formula of the group of or the family of alcohols. CnH2n plus 1 OH, C2H5, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 OH. Structure can be written as 2 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5OH. We'll write the electron dot structure. 2 carbon atoms, 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen, CCOH, 4 elements present, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, 3 elements in that 2 carbon atoms. Now we'll complete the bonds by sharing electrons. Single bond, 2 electrons, here also single bond, here also single bond. Now carbon, there are 3 hydrogen atoms, so into dot H, into dot H, into dot H. Second one, into dot H, into dot H. This oxygen, it contains 6 electrons, so 1, or I write it as dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hydrogen also I write the electron using dot, no problem. You can use into also, dot also, any way you can represent, but oxygen, carbon, pair of electron, sharing of a pair of electron between hydrogen and oxygen. So altogether this oxygen contains 8 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 electrons from hydrogen and carbon, they are sharing electron. So that type of bond, the bond is formed by sharing electrons between 2 atoms, we call it as covalent bond, or they are called covalent compounds. We'll move to the third compound. Alright, third one, that is propanol. Propanol, formula of propanol, C3H double, 3 2s 6 plus 1 7 OH. 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 OH. This is hydrogen. We'll write the electron dot structure. 3 carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, into dot H, into dot H, into dot H. Single bond between carbon and hydrogen. Between carbon, carbon, single bond, single bond. This is also single bond, but this I write dot. So this is also single bond. Second one, 2 hydrogens, so into dot H, into dot H. Third one, into dot H, into dot H. Last oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is already 1 electron, I wrote already 1 electron of hydrogen. So valence electron, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 6. This is the electron dot structure of the third compound of the family of alcohol, that is propanol. Next we will move to the second functional group, that is haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. In haloalkanes, you are going to study 2 halogens given in the textbook. One is chloro, another one is bromo. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, these all are called as halogens. So the prefix added here halo, it is alkane, but 1 hydrogen is removed from the group of alkane, from the compound, from a compound of alkane family, and in that place halogen is added. If you take the example of chloroalkane, I take the first compound chloromethane. Chloromethane, methane formula CH4. In that only 3 hydrogen and in one more hydrogen's place Cl, chlorine is added. So the formula is CH3Cl, chloromethane. Its structure we can write it as C, 3 hydrogen and here Cl. We'll write the electron dot structure of this chloromethane. How to write electron dot structure? 1 carbon. This is chlorine. You can see here everywhere single bond is present. So into dot H, into dot H, into dot H. This is into dot. Chlorine contains there are 7 electrons, that is the valence electrons. Chlorine has 7 electrons in its outermost shell, which can be represented as 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one written 6, 7. So this is the electron dot structure of chloromethane. Methane, from that hydrogen is removed from the compound methane and in that hydrogen's place chlorine is added. Around the chlorine, in the outermost shell of chlorine, it contains 7 electrons. Out of 7 electrons, 1 electron it shares with the carbon atom. They are sharing a pair of electron. Carbon and chlorine atoms sharing a pair of electron. Carbon and 3 hydrogen atoms are sharing a pair of electron. We'll move to the second compound of this family, that is chloroethane. Chloroethane, we can write the formula as C2H5Cl, C2H5Cl, 2 carbon atoms, this is Cl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is C2H5Cl. Now we'll move to the electron dot structure. 2 carbon atom and 1 chlorine. So all single bond present, into dot H, into dot H, into dot H, into dot H, this hydrogen, into dot H, and this chlorine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 electrons around the chlorine. Altogether 7 electrons, valence electrons, which are present in chlorine atom. The electrons present in the outermost shell. There are 7 electrons. Out of 7 electrons, this into is not there. Out of 7 electrons, it shares 1 electron with the carbon atom. They are sharing a pair of electron. This is chloroethane. Students, we will move to the next compound, next hydrocarbon, that is the functional group I was discussing. First one we have studied chloroalkane. We will go to the next in the same haloalkanes. The first compound we have studied chloroalkane. Now second one is bromoalkane. Bromoalkane. So if you want to write the general formula of these bromoalkane, general formula CnH2n plus 1 and bromo compound we have to add, that is Br. CnH2n plus 1, Br is the general formula. So first compound in this bromomethane, we have to add the prefix bromo. Bromomethane is the first compound. Its formula can be written as methane 1 carbon H 2n plus 1. In the sense, number double 2 and you have to add 1. That is CnH2n plus 1. C1H will be 3. Here 1 double 2, 2 plus 1 3. CH3 and functional group is Br. Now write the structural formula. CBr 1, 2, 3. They are the hydrogen atoms. We'll write the electron dot structure of chlorobromine. Bromomethane electron dot structure can be written as 1 carbon atom and this is Br, and you can see here everywhere single bond. So that is dot into hydrogen, dot into hydrogen into dot hydrogen. This is first structure completed. Now go to the CBr. This carbon's electron, bromine's electron dot, valency of bromine, chlorine, bromine, valence electrons, not valency, valence electrons. The number of electrons in the outermost shell is 7. So in that 1 electron I wrote here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 electron I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 electron of bromine. It shares with the carbon atom by forming covalent bond between bromine and carbon. So 2 electrons. A pair of electron is shared between bromine and carbon. A pair of electrons shared between carbon and 3 hydrogen atoms. So we can write the structure of bromomethane in this way. This is the structure, this is the electron dot structure. We'll move to the second one, that is bromoethane. Bromoethane formula C2H will be 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. C2H5 Br. Structure 2 carbon Br. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now write the electron dot structure CCBr. We'll complete these single bonds into dot H into dot H into dot H. Now between carbon 2 electrons into carbon and bromine. This second carbon atom there are 2 hydrogen. So into dot H here 1 electron of carbon, 1 electron of bromine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one 7. This is the bromoethane. We'll go to the third one, that is bromopropane. Bromopropane C3H3 2 6 plus 1 7 Br. Structure 1, 2, 3 Br. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Electron dot structure CCCBr. To complete the electrons, we complete the valency into dot H into dot H into dot H. These 3 hydrogen completed. Now between carbon single bond 2 electrons. Here 2 hydrogens into dot H into dot H. Between carbon again single bond. This into now last carbon into dot H into dot H here into dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the electron dot structure of third member of bromoalkane family, that is bromopropane. This is the molecular formula, this is the structural formula, and this is the electron dot structure. Now we'll move to the next functional group, that is aldehyde. Aldehyde is the next functional group. The functional group of aldehyde is CHO. CHO is the functional group which can be written as CH double bond O, or we can write C here double bond O, here H. Anyway we can write. Here, first member, group of aldehyde, first member of the family of aldehyde, that is ethanol, N-A-L, ethanol, N-A-L, not ethanol. If it is O-L, it belongs to alcoholic group. A-L in the sense, it belongs to aldehyde group, ethanol. Eth means 2 carbon atoms, so C2. First we will write the structure here, so easily we can write the molecular formula. Structure can be written as eth means 2 carbon atom, and this last carbon atom represents alcohol, aldehyde group, double bond O, H. This is aldehyde group CHO. So now complete the valency of first carbon atom. It has only single bond. So second one, third one, fourth one. So what is the structure we are getting here? CH3, CHO. This is the molecular formula. First write the structural formula and count how many carbon, how many hydrogen, and this is aldehyde group. We can write the molecular formula as CH3, CHO. Now we will write electron dot structure of ethanol. How to write the electron dot structure of ethanol? Write 2 carbons and 1 hydrogen. Now we complete the bonds. Here all single bond you can see. So into dot H, into dot H, into dot H. Next here between carbon single bond into. Second carbon double bond with the oxygen and single bond with the hydrogen. So I write into dot. So this completed now. This straight chain completed. Now only double bond with the oxygen is remaining with the second carbon. So this is second carbon. Double bond with the oxygen. Double bond in the sense sharing of 2 pairs of electrons. So 2 into of this carbon, 2 dots of oxygen. So how many electrons are present in the outermost shell of oxygen? There will be 6 electrons. So 2 already I wrote. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the electron dot structure of first compound of the family of aldehyde. It is called ethanol. The name is ethanol because there are 2 carbon atoms are present. Therefore, name given ethanol. Formula, first write the structure. Eth means eth, 2 carbon atoms, and this carbon atom represents a functional group. Complete the valency by writing hydrogen. So based on this, write the molecular formula, and based on this structure, we can write the electron dot structure. So in the electron dot structure, oxygen, the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of oxygen is 6. Out of 6 electrons, 2 electrons it shares with 2 electrons of carbon, and remaining 4 electrons we are writing in this way. So this is the electron dot structure of ethanol. Now we will move to the second one. Electron dot structure of second compound, that is propanol. Electron dot structure of propanol. Propanol. First write the structural formula C. That is prop. Prop in the sense 3 carbon atom. 3 carbon atom. And the last one, that is aldehyde group, double bond O, H. Remaining hydrogen, it completes its valency, completes its 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, based on this, write the molecular formula. C2H will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C2H5 CHO. This is the molecular formula of propanol. Now, based on this structural formula, we write the electron dot structure of propanol. 3 carbon atoms, 1 hydrogen. Single bond between the carbon and hydrogen. So, into dot H, 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 into dot. Here only double bond with the oxygen. So 2 into 2 dots. O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is which compound? This is propanol. Now we will write the third compound, that is butanol. Butanol. But means 4 carbon atoms. 3, 4. Fourth one for aldehyde. Then remaining all hydrogen. So formula C3H7CHO. C3H7CHO. We'll write the electron dot structure. 1, 2, 3. C3, 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atoms. And here hydrogen. Into dot H, 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 into. Here oxygen. So this complete first. 2 electrons of carbon, 2 electrons of oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So this is the electron dot structure of a third compound of the family of aldehyde, that is butanol. So based on these formula, we can write the general formula of aldehyde. How to write the general formula of aldehyde? You see here, CH3, C2H5, C3H7 and CHO is the aldehyde group. So what is the general formula we can write for the group of aldehyde? General formula can be written as CnH2n plus 1 CHO. So relation between hydrogen atoms and carbon atom. Hydrogen atoms, to find hydrogen atoms, you have to double the number of carbon atoms and you have to add 1. 2n plus 1 and CHO is a common group for all compounds. The compounds compounds which belongs to aldehyde group, that is CHO. Functional group is CHO. We'll move to the next functional group, that is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Functional group of carboxylic acid I complete it by forming bond with hydrogen. So the formula can be written as HCOOH. HCOOH. This is the molecular formula of methanoic acid. Now we will write the electron dot structure of this methanoic acid. How to write electron dot structure? See here, only one carbon atom, here single bond. So that single bond can be written as into dot H. Here single bond into dot with oxygen. This double bond I complete 2 into 2 dot. That means 2 pairs of electron. Oxygen 6 electron. In that 2 electrons already wrote. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here one more oxygen. In that one electron forms bond with one electron of carbon. Another electron of oxygen forms bond with one electron of hydrogen. Hydrogen also I write down. Now how many electrons are left? Oxygen 2 already wrote. Third 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see here properly. H C double bond OH. Here double bond with the oxygen. Carbon double bond with the oxygen. So double bond in the sense 2 pairs of electron forms bond with the oxygen. The remaining all are single bond. Only one pair of electrons are shared between carbon and hydrogen, carbon and oxygen, oxygen and hydrogen. Go to the second compound here. Second one is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid formula CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Cn H2n plus 1 COOH. CH3COOH. So here you have to make it double and you have to add 1. Now how to write the structure? C double bond OH 3 hydrogen CH3 3 hydrogen COOH. Now we will write the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure COOH. Now single bond, so into dot hydrogen into dot hydrogen into dot hydrogen into second one double bond with oxygen, so 2 into 2 dots oxygen. So here 2 electrons written 3, 4, 5, 6. Come to the oxygen and carbon. Oxygen and carbon single bond. So into dot. Oxygen and hydrogen also single bond. Oxygen has 6 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hydrogen is 1 electron. Single bond with oxygen and hydrogen, single bond with oxygen and carbon, single bond with carbon and carbon, single bond with carbon and hydrogen. Only double bond with carbon and oxygen. So while writing functional group itself, we write C double bond O. That we are representing here. So in this way we can write electron dot structure of carboxylic acid compounds.